Ikú tó ń pa ojúgbà ẹni, òwe ló ń pa fúnni. It literally means, what kills your peers is a proverb to you. You are welcome to Read Me Wisdom, where stories come alive, one word at a time. Today's story takes us to the art of Yoruba wisdom. It's about pride, consequences, and a proverb that hits harder than any warning. In the quiet hills of Ayetoro, a small town where the wind still whispers old stories, lived a young man named Adekunle. He was smart, quick with words, and always dressed sharp. But more than anything, Kunle was stubborn. He thought he was smarter than the streets. His mother, Mama Ronke, would often warn him with a proverb, "Ikú tó ń pa ojúgbà ẹni, òwe ló ń pa fúnni." The death that kills your peer is a proverb for you. In other words, learn from others before it becomes your turn. When Kunle's friend Taju got arrested for fraud, Kunle laughed. "Na bad luck catch am," he said. "Me I sabi this game pass am." Then another friend, Bode, got caught in a court fight. He died. Still, Kunle shrugged and laughed again. "Ha ha ha, I no get time for all those wahala. Me, I dey run my own level." But trouble, they say, doesn't knock, it walks in. One night, at a hotel in Ibadan, Kunle met with some clients he had lured into a fake investment scheme. But one of them had traced him and called the authorities. By morning, the EFCC had stormed the building. Kunle was arrested, shamed. His picture was on every blog. His mother wept as she watched the news from her tiny sitting room in Ayetoro. She whispered the proverb again, but this time with pain in her voice. "Ikú tó ń pa ojúgbà ẹni, òwe ló ń pa fúnni." What killed your friend was a warning, but you refused to listen. Dear listener, in every fall we see around us, in every friend who stumbles, every sibling who gets caught, every neighbor who suffers, there is a lesson. Don't wait to learn the hard way. Let the proverb speak before the world does. This has been Read Me Wisdom. If you loved this story, share it. And remember, wisdom isn't loud, but it's always present in a proverb.